Hello, AJ Shon here, teaching you how to speak English with an American accent. Today's lesson will teach you about stress. What is stress? Simply, stress is the accent given to syllables by making them louder, softer, longer or shorter, and changing their pitch. When a sentence ends in a content word, we usually stress that word. But when the sentence ends with a function word, we have to change the inflection. Remember, inflection is the change in pitch on intonation. Listen. Where did you go? Did you hear how the word go ended the sentence? Now, listen to a similar sentence where the end of the sentence ends with function words. Notice how they are not stressed. Where did you go with her? The function words kind of trail off. They are given much less stress than content words. Practice with the following sentences. The first sentence will end with a content word, which is stressed, and the second sentence will end with the function word, which is not stressed. Listen to two sentences and then repeat them. Did you go? Did you go with them? It was exciting. It was exciting in there. We waited all day long. We waited all day long for them. Is it satisfactory? Is it satisfactory to you? Did you show the video? Did you show the video to her? Now, I want to show you how stress can change the underlying meaning of a sentence. I will say the same sentence 3 times, but each time I say the same words, the sentence will have a different meaning. You're thinking, is that possible? I assure you it is. Listen. I have a red car. I have a red car. I have a red car. When you heard those words, did it sound like I was conveying the same information each time? I wasn't. Let me show you why. When I said, I have a red car, I wanted to make sure that you knew my car was red, not blue, not green, and not any other color. I gave the most stress to the word red. When I said, I have a red car, I wanted to make sure that you knew I was talking about my car, not my motorcycle, or my boat, or my skateboard. I gave the most stress to the word car. When I said, I have a red car, I wanted to make sure that you knew it was me who owned the car, not my wife, not my son, not my brother, but me. Stress is a great way to convey an underlying meaning. Here's some practice for you. Repeat each sentence and notice how the stress and meaning changes each time. I love to watch baseball. I love to watch baseball. I love to watch baseball. She wants to visit her mother. She wants to visit her mother. She wants to visit her mother. Kevin is learning Spanish. Kevin is learning Spanish. Kevin is learning Spanish. Do you understand? Do you understand? Do you understand? They walk to class every day. They walk to class every day. They walk to class every day. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to have a more personal experience learning the American accent, please come join me in my class at DELC in Watamakai in Pathum Thani, Thailand. Sign up for an in-class experience or sign up for an online experience